We've been dancing with our eyes from across the room. I've been calculating strategy.
As someone who is studying environmental science, it's super interesting for me to be able to see the impacts, the kind of environmental impacts that are being felt by this environment, as opposed to the one that I'm used to at home. So obviously they're so vastly different. I've learned things that I would never have learned in the classroom.
In my head, trying to play it out, but I was born with 2 left feet and 1 foot in my mouth. If the planets align and the stars they shine just right, I might take you home tonight.
For me, going out and doing trekking in the jungle, habitat surveys, gibbon vocalizations in this environment, in this incredible environment, it's invaluable really. And the lecturers and the experts that we've spoken to are so knowledgeable, and the wealth of knowledge also with the indigenous people that we've spoken to is just unreal and incredible. It's so fantastic to be able to come out here and work with ecos here and have them teach us and show us these amazing things.